Alright everybody, let's look at the 68s from this collection. Right off the bat here, there were 3 Beatnik Bandits. One is red. I call it mid-minus condition. You know, if you've looked at my website for any length of time, there's nothing as mint. But, you know, if a car is beautiful and it looks like it's never been played with, but it has a minor flaw here or there, that's mid-minus. That is mid-minus. Now, if you had a big chip here or there, that would be near mint. Near mint. And then after that, you get into the played with cars, like an excellent condition played with. And then after that, it's fair, good, poor, things like that. And I don't take into account dark spotting. That is just something that's added. So like with dark spotting would just be another line. Now that was the red. Here's the antifreeze, a picture of it. I've actually already sold that to a friend of mine. And he was quite happy to get it. It's quite hard to get an antifreeze Beatnik Bandit. There was also a brown, but it was quite ugly. It's around here somewhere, and I can't seem to put my fingers on it right at the moment. One of my favorite cars, and the second in the lineup of the 68 Hot Wheels, is the Custom Barracuda. The Custom Barracuda, just like the Beatnik Bandit, was made in the USA and Hong Kong, and there are, you might call subtle differences or major differences between the two. This particular one is called a hybrid. The reason being is it's got a, I believe, what, a Hong Kong body, a U.S. interior, U.S. windows, and a Hong Kong base. Look at that, Hong Kong base. I think I've got that right. Let me just double check that information. All right, I double checked the Encyclopedia of Hot Wheels Knowledge, and this is a U.S. body with a Hong Kong base. The Hong Kong body has longer power bulges, so they come almost to the end of the hood there. So this is a U.S. body, U.S. interior, U.S. glass, and a Hong Kong base. I think I got it that right time. And of course, Hong Kong. Did I get that right? Hong Kong wheels, Hong Kong base. All right. Sometimes it gets so darn excited about looking at Hot Wheels that I get all confused. Also, there's a Copper Barracuda. U.S. All U.S. on this one. U.S. base, nice and shiny. The neat thing about this collection, because the cars, you know, let me, as a side note, a lot of times people say like these were pulled off the line, and actually the person I bought this from was saying things like pulled off the line, and I said, okay, so what, they just pocket them? Oh, no, you could never do that. What they really, I believe, meant is that they would pull these off the line, and the ones that had minor flaws that were pulled off the line were sent to the employee store where you could buy them for $1. And then take them home and look at them, throw them in a box, whatever. I think they mostly just threw them in a box because this collection was in some Matchbox cases when I looked at it, but before that, I think they were just in a box. So you've got unplayed with bases, unplayed with tires. This one's got beautiful, perfect wheels, except for that little flaw there, and it looks nice. A lot of Hong Kong, or a lot of U.S. Barracudas have this on the roof there. Also, the antifreeze tends to have that a lot. Cougars also have that. All right, there's one Copper Barracuda, and here's another Copper Barracuda. This one is a little brighter. It's got a little goober right there and there. Nice looking, nice shiny base, very nice. And the other problem with one problem with the employee collection is you have to really check everything, you know, like, are the bases printed wrong, you know, what could possibly be different, if anything. And in a lot of cases there's nothing different. It's just extra cars that were picked up by the employee. Next car on the line is the Custom Camaro. And the fun thing about collecting Hot Wheels is that every Hot Wheel, no matter what, you know, even if it's the same color, can look completely different. This is a green. Oh my goodness, it's middle of the afternoon, and I have been busy. This is a green U.S. Camaro. Look at that. Perfect wheels. Look at that. It's beautiful. I'm looking at it under the super bright light right now, and I thought it had some toning on it. Let me look over here. No, this one's almost tone-free. Very nice. Got the champagne interior. Hood opens, not broken. Nor should it be, because these were in the possession of a adult who was a tool and die maker. Here's another one. Oh my goodness, a second Camaro. That's crazy. That is absolutely nuts. Now this one, the window I guess they all look kind of darkish. They're not blue windows. They're clear windows, I believe. But they do look sort of bluish. If you know anything about that, feel free to leave comments below. Nice, bright, shiny base. Beautiful Camaro. This one has light toning on it throughout. A little bit of wear there on the right there on the fender. And yeah. It's so amazing to have so many red lines at one time. This collection had over 300 red lines plus other things. And this is the brightest of the greens right here, bright green. I'm looking at the camera and I'm looking at the car now. The camera is not showing this as green as it should be. It is very, very green, and it is, I think, the same color interior. It's a little darker, but it's probably the same color. This window actually looks more clear. Oh, you know what? I think it is. Yeah. This interior is lighter. It's more like a silver almost. This one's darker. Interesting. You know, no matter how many times you look at Hot Wheels, there's always something unusual or different. And this, I believe, might have a blue window in it. This one's very clear. This one definitely looks blue. Yeah. And this third one, you're learning right along with me. I don't know everything, and I'm enchanted by the beauty of Hot Wheels. Some of the details escape me. Plus, my memory's never been that great. I just, react to pretty things. I love beautiful things. Love them. Beautiful colors, shine, like that. This one's the prettiest one of the three. Of course, that's where that's going in my collection. Right there, that one's definitely going. That one and that one right there. Maybe not, I don't know. All right, that is, wait a minute. Camaro, one orange one. All right, here's the fourth Camaro that came with this collection. It is orange, US. Very tough color. I can see why maybe this orange spot on it might have been where it was pulled. Look at that. It does have a slight bit of corrosion down there. Some of that can be rubbed off. It's not a game changer or anything. It's really nice. Look at that. I mean, condition-wise, it's beautiful. There's a little darkening here in spots. Not well painted, probably. Beautiful wheels. These are all original. This is the way it came from the factory. Gorgeous, really. Orange Camaro. Wow. Orange Camaro. And while I was back there, I found... Oops. Look at it. It's got a tire missing. Got a brown Beatnik Bandit. It actually looks better than I remember. It's just real... Got a sandy finish. A lot of toning. But it is a brown Beatnik Bandit. Look at that beautiful mint condition base. And there it is on top. Let's see, there's a little spot in there. It's probably a spider been in there. Look at that. That is nice. Hard to get them perfect, but some colors are just harder than others. They're just some super hard ones. And I think, by the way, that red Beatnik I put in there, I don't think that was actually the one that came with the collection. I think it was this one. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was this one. It's kind of unusual dark interior for the red. A lot of toning. So what you'll find with this collection is that the bases are all, the cars are basically brand new, but they did get banged around a little bit, and they have some toning issues. Most of that toning is from keeping them in a damp environment. We'll go ahead and put that one over there. Next model in the lot, collection, Olive Corvette, custom Corvette, 1968. There's the olive, and there's that weird stuff again. I wonder what caused that. If you know, leave comments below. It's very interesting. I think it was something in the metal, or maybe they splashed something on it. But so many of them have it. Now look at that motor. Wow, isn't that pretty? Shiny, wow. Like a diamond in there. Diamond in the rough. Look at that hood. It's darker, much darker than the body, but the body's nice. Look at that casting flaw right there. Bubble. Wheels are perfect. Base is beautiful. That's a nice car. Nice car. Olive. US custom Corvette. Oh my God, focus, Dave, focus. Yes, I know you're a little tired. Probably should take a break. All right, here we go. See, look at that. Isn't that interesting? One car to the next. So much difference. So much difference. That's what makes Hot Wheel collecting so interesting, is that no matter what you have, the next car might be more interesting, Might have some variation, might have some color differences. Look at these two motors. Look at that. And then the hard part is like if you really love motors and you're like, oh, I love this one with the motors, but it has a dark hood. And then this one's got a beautiful hood, but the motor's kind of dull. And the base is nice. It could be a little shinier. Look at the wheels are really perfect. Wow. You know, and then the other problem you have is like if you get an extra, like, oh my gosh, you know, what do I sell it for? I don't know. I've seen prices just go up and up and up and up and up. It's just crazy. How does one even know how to, you know, where to go or how to sell them? I can tell you this, my experience is I've been buying and selling Hot Wheels for over 30 years. And what's easy is just buying a childhood collection set or, you know, used cars, because everybody knows what, you know, what generally a used car is worth. Now look at this. This is a red Corvette, which red Corvettes are notorious for having dark hoods, but look at this bright one. This one is so bright. I don't even think you could see how bright it is in the video. It is unbelievable bright. Look at that motor. Probably, and then down on the bottom you get this burnished base. That's what I call it when it's got this little blackening on there. It's just something they did. It's just something they did. It's not something that's got on it, or it's not aging, I don't believe. I think it was just not quite finished as well as it should have been. This one has, and here's the other thing about Hot Wheels. You got 4 wheels on it. All of them can be good or bad. Look at this one. This one's got way too much chrome. This one just looks funky. Over here on the other side, you've got all 4 of these are like sketchy. I mean, if you're a person who likes perfection, it's gonna, you know, you're gonna think of those as kind of sketchy. Here we've got beautiful wheels. Look at that right there. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice matching, pretty much. I like that. I really like that. And boy, I tell you what, when you get a lot of cars and then you start thinking about making sure all the cars' wheels are nice, that's insanity right there. All right. Next up, the Cougar. I've got 3 Cougars in this collection. 2 olives and 1 gold. Here's the gold. Got a nice shiny gold. The hood's dark. It's got bubbles in the paint. Probably how it ended up in this collection. Like I say, these cars came from a person who was a tool and die maker at the factory in LA, and had access to the employee store. I don't know if they pocketed cars or not. You know, the word I heard was that you get fired for that. Anyway, so I'm assuming that all of these were just bought out of the employee store for $1/4. Beautiful. Look at that gold. That is a nice gold Cougar. Gold Cougars are not easy to get. And that is a nice one. Really nice. Let's put that up there. Now with the olives got nice light olive color. Matching hood. Nice sides. Nice base. Nice and shiny. And the other side. This is a nice one. For olive. Olive is not particularly exciting, but you need the color. There it is. Olive. Looks like the hood's from here is slightly lighter. And this one is light all over. A very light olive. Oh, that one's very... I think this one's headed to the collection right here. Yeah, this is nice. I don't know what I've got. Do I have an olive already? I don't think so. I don't think I've ever seen an olive that was pretty as much as this one. Wow, this is nice. I like this one. Got the white interior. Oh, we got the white and the dark. Oh, now there you got a lot of other... See how the light interior really brightens that up. Real nice. All right, on to the El Dorado. And you know, pretty much any collection, if you get an El Dorado, you probably can expect it to be blue. That's a very common color, the blue. But I tell you what, it is hard to get one that's nice as this in the blue. The blue is, although it's quite common, it's hard to get a nice one. Matching hood, nice and bright. Of course, you got a few nicks on this, but you know, you just got to get past that. You got to work past that. It's nice, really nice. Blue El Dorado. And the other 2 El Dorados in the collection are a red. And they are outstanding. Look at that. And El Dorados can have some texturing to the paint, bubbling. I don't know why that is, but look how shiny that, bright that is. It really is that bright. It is a beauty. Perfect wheels. Wow. Hard to get cars like this. I was just fortunate enough to have the contact with this person and get the opportunity to buy the collection. Very good, very good. And this one is my favorite. Probably the second or third car so far that I'm like, yeah, that's me. That's got me written all over it. Glossy. Oh, look at this base. Very sparkly. Look at that base. It's got all that texturing. Sparkly. It's weird. I don't think I've ever seen that before quite like that. Like I say, every time you look at a Hot Wheel, you notice something different. Of course, I got to check all these bases against common bases to make sure that they're all just like the commons, just in case there's anything unusual. You don't want to give away an idea like a prototype base, because this collection does have unusual prototypes in it, including, I'm going to see something special, this orange roof police paddy wagon, 1970 paddy wagon. This collection included, it didn't actually have the bodies, it just had the roofs. A couple of orange ones and a couple of blue ones with the police painted in white. This is painted in black. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. Quite rare. Now they did put this orange roof on orange paddy wagons, but we did not get an orange paddy wagon in this collection. And then here we have back to the red. Man, this thing is stunning. Sheesh. Sheesh, 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 sheesh. Stunning. Wow. Custom El Dorado. Wow, how many models are we through this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's only 6 of the original 16. Wow. We've got more. We've got more. All right. That's right, everybody. There are more Redlines to be revealed from this fabulous Redline collection. Yes, that's right. This collection was put together by an employee at the Mattel Factory back in 1968 and a little bit past that. And there are more cars, 69s and 70s to be seen, and some rare prototypes. Please come back. Be sure to watch all of the videos. And by the way, I have over 500 videos for your watching pleasure. See you later.